Presenting the prestigious Acharya Bangalore B-School, the choice of aspiring youngsters for a holistic, multidisciplinary education. The institution is a gateway to a thriving career where students can become budding entrepreneurs, wizards of the financial exchanges, or produce fashion labels. We welcome you to become agents of transformation and become global game changers. Be the leader you want to be with courses like MBA, BBA, BCA, BCom and Biotechnology. ABBS is not a sit-and-learn ecosystem, but a campus to hold the reins and win awards at competitive events. You belong here and now. The Dr. Abdul Kalam Hall is where students get knowledge from educational professionals with international experience. An active placement cell attracts the best MNCs to recruit you on completion of your degrees at ABBS. With supervision and highly qualified teachers, enjoy one-on-one mentorship. The modern campus of ABBS is the ideal fountain of experiential learning for undergraduates and postgraduates. Our focus is on value-based learning and imparting critical thinking. The campus boasts of learning centers and access to a vast library of resources to acquire additional knowledge. Sit together for group studies, relax, or exchange ideas. The B-School's infrastructure comprises of state-of-the-art sunlight rooms, computers, and broadband to work uninterrupted on projects. Rest and relaxation are important for mental and physical well-being. Play indoor sports to refresh your mind. Fitness arenas with gym equipment will keep you physically fit. The ABBS Amphitheatre attracts the creative talents of all students. The large debate room and impressive auditorium are always full house for prestigious events our B Institute organizes. Participate in fun-loving intercollegiate festivals, concerts and dramas. We love nurturing the talents of our students. ABBS, where young lives come to aspire, accelerate, achieve.